So, you're shortlisting engineering colleges in Chennai, and Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology is on your radar. Well, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know. But first things first, for everyone getting ready for admissions, here's the number you absolutely need to remember. The TNEA Code is 1217.
Okay, so what does all this actually mean for you? Well, AICTE approval, that's your quality check. It means the college meets the national standards for technical education. And being affiliated to Anna University, that's a huge plus. It means your degree comes with the weight and recognition of one of the country's top technical universities. Honestly, these are exactly the kind of green flags you want to see.
All right, so we know the college is legit, but what's the story behind it? Let's dig a little deeper into the institution's identity, what it stands for, and most importantly, its approval status for this coming academic year.
Here are the quick facts. The full name is Sree Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology, and it's located in Chembarambakam, Chennai. Being a self-financing college affiliated with Anna University is pretty standard. And, it was established back in 2001, which means it has more than 2 decades of experience under its belt. Now, this isn't just some text on a website. It really gives you a peek into the college's philosophy. They're not just talking about making engineers. They're talking about making globally competent engineers with ethics and leadership skills. So as you think about what you want from your college experience, ask yourself if this lines up with your own goals.
And here it is, a really crucial piece of information for any family considering this college. The AITE approval for the 2025-26 academic year is confirmed. This gives you that peace of mind, knowing that the programs meet all the required quality standards. It's a non-negotiable checkpoint, and it's cleared.
Okay, now that we've got a good feel for the institution itself, let's get into the part you're probably most excited about. We're going to look at how you get in and what you can actually study once you're there.
So, the main way in is through TNEA counseling. The seat allocation is pretty standard. 65% of the seats come through the government quota, and the remaining 35% are for the management quota. And there's that number again, 1217. Make sure you have that code handy for the counseling process.
So what are your options here? You've got all the core branches you'd expect: civil, mechanical, ECE, the works. But what's really interesting is that they also offer newer specializations like artificial intelligence and data science, and even a specific CSE branch for AI and machine learning. That's a great sign that the college is keeping up with what the industry actually wants right now. All right, let's talk about the big one. For many, this is the most important factor in choosing a college: placements. Let's take a look at the career outcomes and the companies that hire from Sri Sastha, based on the info they've shared. 42 lakhs per annum. Now that's a number that'll definitely make you look twice. Of course, it's important to remember this is the highest package reported by the college. But it does show that for top-performing students, there are some seriously big opportunities out there. And who's doing the hiring? Well, this list is pretty solid. You've got the IT service giants like TCS, Wipro, and Infosys, which are always a backbone of campus placements. But you also see product companies like Amazon and Zoho in the mix. This is a really good thing because it means students have a wide range of career paths to choose from. Okay, academics and placements are key, but what about the day-to-day experience? Let's switch gears and look at the practical side of things, life on campus, starting with accommodation and transport. For anyone planning to stay on campus, this is a straightforward but really important question. And the answer is yes. The college provides separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. One less thing for parents to worry about. And what if you're a day scholar? Well, getting to campus seems manageable. The college runs its own transport system with routes all over Chennai and the surrounding areas. Plus, for those using public transport, the nearest railway station is Pattabaram, which is good to know. All right, let's talk about a topic that's incredibly important for many families: financial aid. This next part covers the different government scholarship schemes that students might be able to get. So it looks like the college helps students access several major government scholarships. You've got the community-based scholarships for SC/ST, BC, MBC, and DNC students. There are also central government schemes for minority and OBC students. And of course, the big one for many families in Tamil Nadu, the First Graduate Scholarship. Now, just a quick but important note, all the information we've shared today is based on what was available on the college's official website and government portals as of March 2026.
Things can always change, so we strongly recommend you double-check the official college website for the absolute latest updates as you get closer to admission time.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.